Hello everyone, welcome to Sliver Bullet Pro demo. Um, Today I wanted to give an extensive demo of Sliver Bullet Pro automated trading software. I have received requests from many people to give them a demo, especially those who um, cannot wait for our webinars on Saturday. Uh, so wanted to give as much as possible a rundown of all the features, or at least the key features or strategies that have been coded in this software, Sliver Bullet Pro. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use today's data, that's September 6th, market open data for NASDAQ NQ. Um, I like to use 15-second chart in the morning when market is very volatile. Later I drop down the chart time to 30 seconds or 1 minute. And that's again depends on the ATR. In the morning, ATR is very high. So I like to use 15-second chart, but let's see where the ATR is. And I have set the timer to in playback mode to September 6th, 8:30 a.m. Central, when the market opens. And I'm going to turn this timer on. So let me see. I like to do one more thing. I like to use regular market hours so I know where the market is with respect to yesterday's close. So market closed here yesterday. That's Thursday, September 6th. Sorry, September 5th. And it opened here the morning of September 6th, Friday, September 6th. So it's negative. It's about how much? It's about 50 points down, 45 points down compared to yesterday's close. So I'm going to load the software here. This is Sliver Bullet Pro version 2, and there are different ATMs. And there are loss parameters, profit target parameters. So I'm going to use 2,500 as the max loss because this is what is allowed in a 50K, typically in a 50K account by Apex or Bullinox or other funding companies that support NinjaTrader. So I'm using the max loss limit here, and the profit target, which is 3,000. But I'm going to use 2,000 because even that is very high. Most of the companies, require, support only 30% of 3,000, which is 30% of 3,000 is 900. This is what they allow per day profit. I think Bullinox or some company allows 40%. So 40% will be 1,200. But regardless, since it's a demo, I'm going to put a number of $2,000 and see if the software can achieve this profit target. So I enable the software, and this is the user interface. Here we have different ATMs, ATM 1, 2, and 3. One trades with one contract of NASDAQ, 2 with 2 contracts, and 3 with 3 contracts. And there are different strategy buttons in pink color, and these are automated long and short buttons. And these are manual buy and sell buttons. And then there's a Heikin-Ashi which changes the color or the chart type to Heikin-Ashi chart. And then scale in, which means you can scale in, add more contracts if your position is going in red, so that you can come out for break even. And then aggressive mode, this one places the order as a market order. Not a limit order. So I like this because it immediately fills. You get immediate fill instead of waiting. Now that the market has opened about 45 points, 50 points down compared to yesterday's close, I'm guessing this market would be by and large, a seller's market. So if the direction changes, we'll decide the strategy direction, but I'm going to take short trades. And my favorite strategy is contrarian. So I'm going to start with that and see if I get some good trades. Contrarian is when there is a pullback. That's the time it starts taking trades. So I'm going to I started the timer, increasing the speed. And we get some messages, I'm going to ignore all that if software recommends certain things. So it's going to take trades when certain criteria is met. It looks for pullback in contrarian strategy. It's not pullback. It's like market is going down and down. So it needs to have good amount of pullback before it starts taking trades. I'm going to increase the speed and see. Okay, there was a trade, and immediately it got a fill, and we got profit also. So here I'm using ATM3. So I want to show you what ATM3 is, so you know. It's a stop loss of 300. That's huge. I usually don't do that. Let me change it to 150, and I'll save it. So that's typical. 150 is what I use, like 3 contracts, 8 ticks of profit. So I'm going to hide this so we have a clearer view, and I'm going to run again. So again here, market started to go down. It will take the next trade when there is a pullback at close to this line, this indicator. This is a moving average. So this is fairly a conservative strategy. Okay, one more trade, and I got $142, then $157. So in about 15 minutes since the market opened, we made $400, $412 with the 3 trades. One more, $500. Okay, so I have sped up the timer 20x, and it keeps on taking trades. Target bill. $877. So this is a good amount, $8,077. So the software will stop automatically when we reach 2,000 in profit. So already we made half of our target, $1,000, and in normal days I stop here. This much is enough in one direction. But looks like market is trending down, and I'm not using any judgment. I just letting it take its trades. Target bill. $1,267. Market is sideways. It's not a good idea to continue trading. It's contrarian, but since it's a demo, I have nothing to lose. I am just trading. And it's today's data, this morning's data. Target bill. Or target bill. So 1666, 300 more to go. Order bill. Target bill. Very close, 140 more to go. Order bill. Target bill. Here I see the trade button disabled, even though it hasn't reached 2,000. I think what happened was, by the it went above 2,000 and came down by the time it closed, maybe because of the commissions or whatever, or slippage. It closed, under $2,000. So I can reactivate it. and I'll see if I can take one more trade, and if that's profitable. So again, I have to wait for long. Ideally, I should stop taking trades here. We have reached almost $2,000, but let's see. One more trade will push it over $2,000. I'm trying to be greedy here. See here, some message was there. I'm ignoring it.
Target.
All right, finally, again, trade buttons disabled and profit target reached $2,000 here. And here total profit target reached. This is the message. And now the software won't take any more trades. So now we started at 8:30 and we are around 9:34. So about roughly an hour, we made $2,000. So this is the software. It's using one strategy of that's contrarian strategy. There are other strategies as well. So is this one-off? Let's see. You know, I'm interested in trying other strategies and showing you how it works. So I'm going to reload the software. No, I'm going to reset the timer. I'll go back to 8:30 in the morning when the market opens, and I'll set the timer once again to market open. And here again, we see that market, he opened here 45 points below yesterday's close. And I'm going to use the same ATM. Since it's opened below, I'm going to use short trades again. I'm not going to take long trades because long trades will be risky. It will be like trading against the trend. So today's trades will be short. And then scaling aggressive, these I keep them on by default. You don't have to all the time, but for this demo, I'm going to keep them on. I'm going to now show you, what shall I show you? Trend trades. Let me show you. I showed you contrarian, I'll show you trend. Trend meaning, it will trade with the trend. It will not go trade against, it will not wait for pullback. It will trade with the trend, so let's see how it works. So so it did not wait for pullback when it trades with pull forward or push forward. Every time there's a push forward, it takes a trade.
Target filled.
It's almost opposite of contrarian.
Target filled. Or target filled. Target filled.
And it's making profit faster here with trend trades.
Target filled.
Wow. So 9 trades, $900. And how many? 11 minutes since the market opened? Okay, this is the trend trades is really working well with this market today. So there is a pullback here. Contrarian would have taken some trades here, but trend trades will not trade against the trend. Now, price started to push down, and this strategy is taking trades now. So $1,300. This is making money faster than contrarian.
Target filled.
$1,500 in less than half an hour.
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
I'm liking it until it works well.
Target filled.
All right, very close. Okay, so we reached $2,000 again with this strategy as well. So again, in how many? We started at 8:30. It's 9:03. 33 minutes. $2,000. This one worked better than contrarian. All right. So wow. So 2 strategies worked fine, and I am going to do something else now. I'll test again. Let me reset the timer again, and go here, 30. All right, so at 8:30 again, I'm going to set the timer to, and same story. I'm going to go short, but this time I'm going to use a different strategy, super scalper. Super scalper, scale in aggressive, these are default, and I'm going to continue taking short trades. And let's see. And this one,
Target filled.
all right, first trade. Super scalper is, it looks for
Target filled.
two bars of same color in one direction.
Target filled.
Two bars of same color in one direction after a small pullback.
Target filled.
So 10 minutes, $584 here. ATR is high, it's around 20s. So
Target filled.
15-second chart
Target
is
filled.
okay.
Target filled. Target filled.
This is also working well. In 20 minutes, $1,500.
Target filled.
It's working as good as the trend trades.
Target filled.
All right, couple more trades and we will hit $2,000.
Target filled.
One more nice trade, maybe two more nice trades if we take. Okay, so trade buttons got disabled again because the profit exceeded 2,000 before coming below 2,000 due to the commissions or slippages. So I'm going to reset it again. Now this time it truly exceeded $2,000. So total profit reached. Trade buttons disabled. The software will not take any more trades unless and until you reload the software, reload the session. So again, Super Scalper was also profitable. What else can I show you? Let me show you what I call as let me show you. Why don't I show you both the sides? Buying and selling, both buying and selling. So let me reload. No, I'm going to reset the timer. So in 30 minutes we reached $2,000. They did even better than trend trades. So here I am reloading, and this time I'm going to go aggressive. I am going to take both long and short, and for that I have a strategy called churn scalper. Churn scalper. And again, I'm letting the software run automatically. That's not the intention. That's not we recommend. That's not what we teach our traders as to how to trade. But this is a demo of the software. I wanted to show you this, the possibilities and strength of this software. So I'm showing all this, taking trades hands-free, but it's a bit of a hands-on activity. It's not this hands-free. So again, let me churn scalper both long and short. And here you go.
Target bill.
So two trades, $250, 1 minute. It's taking both, going to take both.
Target bill.
It's taking long trades only. Mainly it has taken long trades so far because churn trade, it will take trades in both the directions. Since market is going down, it's with every push down, it's buying. and
Target filled.
that's how it's trading. But
Target
now
filled.
after pullback, it took short trades. So short and long both are working here.
Target filled.
So mostly long because if there are more push downs than you know, pull ups here.
Target filled.
Now it's going to take short
Target
trades
filled.
because price is
Target filled.
above this line,
Target
$1,100.
filled.
So 1369, guys, 20 minutes, 1369. I'll take it and go to beach. I'll not trade anymore. I don't want to lose whatever I made. All right, all right. Oh, I lost. I was saying, and I lost money. Oh gosh, this is a big loss. You know, I was like positive 1200, 1300, whatever, and now I'm negative 800. That's the reason I say that after a certain point, the strategies you know, strategy won't work indefinitely. Market condition changes. With that, we have to change the strategy as well, which we cover in our training. But here, I am going to continue and show you what if it can recover the loss.
Target filled.
So we recovered some losses, 300 of losses, and we still have to recover 500. Let's see if we recover or we hit the max loss of $2,500. So
Target filled.
if we hit max loss of 2,500, it's like we blew one evaluation account, one eval.
Order filled. Target filled.
So churn strategy did not work as well because I've been trading, it has been trading against the trend. It was trying to buy in a downtrending market, which is not ideal, but let's see. I still only 240 negative at this point. I'll increase the speed so I get through the trades faster.
Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
So I'm back to positive now. Not where I was, like I was at 1300, but almost half of where I was.
Order filled. Target filled.
Again, both long and short are on. I'm not using any judgment, which is in a way good, but it can blow my account. You know, if one trade is goes against me.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target
it's a high probability,
target filled.
high probability trades.
Target filled. Target filled. Order filled.
Wow.
Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
It's
target filled.
Amazing. So trade buttons disabled. Oh, I recovered, and it went above 2000 and came down. So I do just reset, and then
target filled.
All right,
target filled.
Awesome. So guys, here I was $1,300, then lost a trade, and which gave me a big L here in the red number. If you see, if at all, you can see some, and that brought my account down to negative 800, and from negative 800 we went to 2000. Means we made about 2,900 after this loss to cover the loss as well as reach the profit target of 2000. So but it took longer. 8:30 we started, and we had to trade till 8:04, 10:04, which is 1.5 hours. And this is usually the limit that I personally trade, 1.5 hours, 90 minutes max. And that's what we recommend. Don't try to exceed beyond, because here I'm showing without any judgment, but during trading we use apply, try, a lot of judgment, and we go in a fog situation if we overtrade. We should not overtrade. Even if you make $500, easily, we should be happy with that. And with this with one account. Remember, this is one account. With multiple accounts, you can multiply this profit. So I guess I showed you contrarian strategy. I showed you super scalper, and then showed you trend trades, and then I showed you a flavor of super scalper, which is churn scalper. And with churn scalper, I took both long and short trades. With other strategies, I took only short trades because it's a downtrending market. And how I knew it is going to be a downtrending market? Because the market opened below yesterday's close. So that kind of gave me an indication that it's going to be a downtrending market. So I guess I covered most of the important features of this software. It showed how it took trades, profitable trades, and it also showed you, um, it also recovered from a loss. What I might not have showed you is the scaling feature. I don't think it had to scale in ever. Today's market was like all downtrending. So sometimes it scales in to what I would say um, to come out of a losing position. So so that I could not show in this demo, but sometimes some other day maybe I'll show. What I did not use was churn trades. Churn trades is the strategy for sideways market. Today's trend was downtrend. So in uptrend market or downtrending market, and it's a good downtrending market, churn trades does not work well, or sometimes it does not work at all. So I'm not going to show you this churn trades. And also we are planning to maybe replace churn trades with some other strategy, because it's a rarely used um, strategy. So we'll perhaps use this button, this place of this user interface for something else, something better. So that's about the demo of Sliver Bullet Pro. Thanks for watching.